In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Maps in Wix. To begin, open the Wix editor for the site where you want to display your map. This is where you will add and customize the map directly on your page. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This section contains the different content blocks and tools you can place on your site. From there, choose Contact and Forms. This category includes useful business and contact-related elements, including map options. After opening it, scroll down until you find Maps, or click Maps from the submenu if it is available. This will take you straight to the map layouts you can use. Now select a map layout that fits your page design, then drag and drop it onto the page. Place it where you want visitors to see it. You can adjust its position on the page so it works well with the rest of your content. A clean placement can make your contact section look more professional and easier to use. Once the map is on the page, click directly on it and select Manage Locations. This is where you connect the map to the address you want to show. In the address field, type the location you want displayed. Be as accurate as possible, so the map points to the correct place. This is especially important if you are using the map for a business location or office. You will also see a title field. Here you can enter a business name or location name if you want. This part is optional, but it can help give visitors a little more context when they view the map. If you do not need a title, you can leave it blank and continue. After entering the address and optional title, close the settings panel to return to the editor. Take a quick moment to review the map on your page and make sure everything looks right. If needed, you can always click back into the map and update the location details. When you are happy with the result, click Publish. This makes the changes live so visitors can see the Google map on your Wix website. That covers everything you need to know.